Hurry up, everyone. We are running late for work and school. Oh, no. I have so many emails to answer this morning.
Honey, you look really tired. Did you sleep well last night?
Mom looks so exhausted today. I am really worried about her.
Don't worry about me, guys. I am perfectly fine right now.
Let me help you with the dishes. You should rest now.
Oh, my work phone is ringing. Hello, this is Grace. Yes, I will send the report soon.
Leo, Mom is working too hard. We must do something quickly.
Oh, my head hurts. I feel a little dizzy right now.
Mommy, are you okay? You look very sick and tired today.
I am just a little bit tired, my sweet little girl. I just need to finish cleaning the kitchen before I work. I must fold these clothes and reply to all these emails. Oh my goodness, there are 5 more tasks on my list. This is so much work, but I have to finish everything.
Mom, why are you still cleaning the table at this hour? Oh, honey, I couldn't sleep. Come sit with me. You really need to stop working and take a long break.
I am fine, Leo. Please go upstairs and do your homework.
Here is a glass of warm water for you, Mommy. Drink.
Thank you so much, Lily. You are such a sweet girl. This laundry basket is so heavy. I must carry it upstairs. I cannot breathe well. My back hurts so much right now.
Let me take this heavy basket, honey. Please sit down immediately. You are pushing yourself too hard. You must rest right now.
You are right. I have been working non-stop for many days.
I will do all the housework today. You just sit here.
Thank you, but... Oh, everything is spinning. I feel very dizzy.
Hey, honey, hold on. I've got you.
I got you. Don't panic, honey. Please, hold on to me.
What is happening to Mom? Is she gonna be okay?
Hello, doctor? My wife just fainted. What should we do now? Sit on this chair, honey. Drink this water slowly. Breathe deeply.
Mom, please hold my hand. We are right here with you. Does your head hurt a lot, Mommy? Please do not cry.
We cannot wait anymore. We must go to the hospital immediately.
Kids, go put your shoes on right now. We are leaving.
Lean on my shoulder, honey. I will help you walk outside.
Please drive safely, Dad. Mom still looks very pale and weak.
We are almost at the hospital. Just hold on a little.
Excuse me, nurse. My wife needs to see a doctor immediately.
I feel a bit scared, but I know I will recover.
I really hope the doctor can make our mommy feel better.
Doctor, is she all right? We are all so worried about her.
I am so sorry for making everyone worry about me today.
Do not apologize, honey. Your health is the most important thing.
We just want you to be happy and healthy again, Mom.
Do not cry, my sweet angels. Mommy will be fine soon.
The doctor said you must rest and eat well every day. I promise to share the housework with you from now on.
I want to help you clean the house every single day, Mom. I will also help you fold the clothes and wash the dishes.
Oh, my sweet children. You make me feel so happy and loved.
You can go home now, but please remember to rest a lot. Let's go home, everyone. The car is waiting outside for us now.
I am so glad we are finally going back to our house.
Lily, we must clean the living room before Mom wakes up tomorrow.
You are both such good kids. I am very proud of you.
We are finally home. Let's get Mommy inside so she can sleep.
Please lie down on this comfortable sofa and close your tired eyes.
Here is a glass of warm water for you to drink, honey.
I brought you a very soft blanket to keep you warm, Mommy. Put this soft pillow behind your back so you feel more comfortable.
Thank you so much, my wonderful family. I feel much better already.
I will go to the kitchen and prepare a healthy snack now.
I must put all these toys away in the big toy box. I am putting all the dirty clothes into this blue laundry basket.
Look, kids, you must wipe the kitchen table exactly like this, okay? Wipe.
Wipe. I must wake up early today to help Mom and Dad clean. Making the bed is actually very easy. I can do it myself. My bed is neat and tidy, too. I did a great job. Come on, Lily. Let's go downstairs and see if Dad needs help.
Good morning, Leo. Can you help me cook some eggs for breakfast?
I will put the plates and napkins on the table right now.
Excellent job, everyone. The breakfast table looks absolutely perfect this morning, kids.
Good morning, Mom. I helped Dad make this delicious breakfast for you. Oh, Leo, this looks amazing. Thank you so much. And I brought you a glass of fresh orange juice to drink.
my goodness. You are growing up so fast, my sweet angels.
Leo, hold the vacuum cleaner like this and push it slowly forward.
I am wiping all the dust off the living room table, Daddy. It's really clean now. We are an amazing cleaning team, Lily. The house is so clean.
You two did a fantastic job today. Our home looks sparkling clean.
Yeah, thanks, Dad.
I am incredibly proud of both of you for helping us today. Good morning. I slept so well last night and feel perfectly fine. It feels so good to walk downstairs without feeling tired and dizzy.
Good morning, Mom. How are you feeling today? Do you feel stronger?
Yes, Leo. I feel completely healthy and full of energy this morning.
That's great, Mom. I missed your happy smile so much, Mommy. I love you dearly.
It is wonderful to see you healthy again, honey. Let's hug, everyone.
Let me wash these breakfast dishes before I start working on emails.
No way. Housework is a shared responsibility for the entire family now.
Dad is right. Lily and I will always help you clean up.
Let's all go to the kitchen and cook a delicious dinner together.
I will carry this big bowl of hot soup to the table.
This dinner tastes amazing because we all work together to make it.
Looking at you all makes my heart feel so full of joy.
Washing dishes together is actually a lot of fun, isn't it, Leo?
Taking care of a family is easy when everyone helps with love.